And we're live. Another exciting day that ends in Y. And we just got a wonderful testimonial today from one of my gals, Lisa Pettit, who is a qualifying senior director. And her neighbor, who she started on the patches recently, check out the text message that she sent this afternoon. Here we go. I'm going to share it with you guys. She said, my lovely 70-plus-year-old neighbor and her husband came over this evening, that was last night, for a refresher on the patches so she could explain them to her friends and family this weekend when she goes for a visit. She said after just 2 months on the patches, she said she went from heading to the doctor for knee surgery to signing up at Planet Fitness. How much better can it get? That is pretty awesome. Wouldn't you agree?
Absolutely wonderful.
I'm so excited for her. So there you have it. Another great little testimonial of how the patches work. Yes, when you activate your original cells, your master smart cells from conception, you can regrow cartilage, you can regrow muscle, you can regrow and regain lean muscle mass and strength, regrow bone, whatever it is that you need, because those master smart cells are the building blocks. Those are the blueprints with your original settings. And so it can unring the bell of damage. And like Lisa's neighbor, instead of running off to get surgery, now she's running up to sign up at Planet Fitness instead of setting a time to get surgery done on her knee. So that's it, my friends and gems. We're going to call it a wrap. If you or someone you know is interested in this information, before you do that, hit that like button. Make sure you heart this if this is on Facebook. And make sure you get back to the person who referred you to this video so they can answer your questions. As always, you can always put a comment below and we'll make sure to get back to you to answer any and all questions that you might have. All right, that's it. Ciao for now.